Install the dust plug into the port 3 interface of the tablet. Attach a ball head from the stand to the back of the tablet using screws. Tighten the screws securely. Attach another ball head to a suitable position on the stand. Fix the tablet stand onto the ball head, and mount the tablet on the other side. Tighten the handle and adjust the tablet direction to face the driver. Install the controller using 3M adhesive. Mount the GNSS antenna at the designated position on the land leveler. If no position is designated, install it as centrally as possible. Secure the antenna bracket using screws. Mount the antenna onto the bracket. Install the radio antenna on the roof of the driver's cabin. Install the camera using 3M adhesive. Mount the camera at the rear of the tractor's roof. Locate the tractor's power source and turn it off. The system supports DC 12V and 24V power supply. Connect the power source to the power extension cable, ensuring correct polarity. Connect the power extension cable to the main communication cable. Connect the main communication cable to the controller. Connect the controller to the solenoid valve cable. Connect the solenoid valve to the solenoid valve cable. Connect the main communication cable to the port 2 interface of the tablet. Connect the camera to the port 1 interface of the tablet via the camera cable. Connect the radio antenna to the radio interface of the tablet. Connect the antenna to the ANT1 interface of the tablet using the GNSS cable. After wiring, secure all cables with cable ties to prevent safety hazards.